Another luxury order preparation. Every detail matters when delivering a premium timepiece to our valued customers around the world. Before packaging begins, we carefully inspect the watch, its accessories, and all accompanying documents to ensure everything meets our quality standards. The watch is then prepared for presentation, allowing every detail and sparkle to be showcased before shipment. Next, we place the timepiece into its luxury presentation box, designed to protect and display it beautifully. Each component is checked once more to ensure a flawless customer experience. Our packaging process focuses on security, elegance, and attention to detail, so your order arrives exactly as expected. From quality control to final packaging, every step is completed with care and precision. This is more than shipping a product, it is delivering an experience. Thank you for choosing our brand and trusting us with your luxury purchase. Your order is now ready for its journey, packed with care, shipped worldwide, delivered with excellence.